Hi friends, Jackie Suarez here. Today we're at 176 Swan Shores Drive, just one tier up from the water, and there's a lot to love about this place. Couple things to remember, you're on two separate lots, so think future value if you ever wanted to build another home. You have two kitchens, two laundry rooms, and two separate entries, making it perfect for a blended family, guests, or tenants. You're gonna love the updates throughout. Granite countertops, custom cabinetry, new flooring, and you cannot believe the views over Gypsy Bay. And don't miss the sauna. Come on, let's take our tour. Residents of Swan Shores 1 get to enjoy this spacious boat launch and sandy beach area. It's terrific. The owners have gone to great expense to make sure there's plenty of parking here. And there's a detached garage for your cars, your equipment, or your toys. Thanks for touring today. To schedule your own personal showing, please feel free to contact me or your agent, or see us online at realsandpoint.com.